Suppose we want to create a simple web page, so we can start by HTML head title school. Title we have given here school and slash title slash head. Now if we want to give a simple web page, BG color means background color, if you want to change, so we can use the attribute BG color. It will change the color of the background of a web page from black to some other color. Suppose we have taken the background as red color, so we have given here red. Now if we want to have some other text color, so we can give here the text color as green also. So now after giving this, press enter and start typing. Suppose we want to specify some other font tag, font style of writing. So font, for style of writing we are having font face is equals to, suppose we have given monotype Coursera. When we'll give monotype Coursera, it will be applied on the text which is getting displayed in the web pages. We can give here size also. In the increase, the maximum size of the text can be 7, which we used to have in the web pages. And now we can give here some other color. Color is already given in the body tag for the complete web page. Now before that we can use here a marquee tag. Marquee tag is a tag which is used to display the text rotating around the screen. Suppose here we have taken the text as St. Mary's Senior Secondary School. Now we have taken slash marquee. This tag will display the text around the, means rotating around the screen. Now after giving this font tag, now suppose we are giving here we are discussing HTML language. Now after giving this text, we are just giving slash font because we want to have this formatting applied on this text. So this way we can have a small web page. Now afterwards we will see the changes also which we can make in a web page. Now see here, we can save it by clicking on save as. Now give here the file name school, suppose school1.html. Every time whenever we used to create the web page, we used to give the extension .html. Now we can save it. I have created a folder by the name HTML, so it is just created by that. Now minimize it and we can get the web pages in our folder, the folder which we are having on the desktop by the name HTML web pages, under which school1. When we double click on it, we'll get the file, and getting the things displayed over it, we are discussing HTML language in green color and the background color is red, and text is coming in rotated format at the top. So this way we have used some of the commands, some of the tags in HTML and created a web page. Now suppose in this web page we want to add more features, so we can go to its notepad file. So for that purpose, right click on it, we'll get open with option. Instead of opening in Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, we'll go to notepad file. We'll see here our file is getting displayed on the screen. Now we can add more tags in it for more features. Suppose we want to apply here the text and points, so I'm giving here BR tag, with the help of which the next whatever we will be typing will be displayed in the next line. Little gap will be there, one line gap. Now we can give here unordered list under which we can give unordered list is the list points, the text in points will be getting displayed with the help of unordered list, this tag UL. So we can see here li list item, points we can give under li tag. So first of all we are giving here intro, then next point under li tag, then we are giving here infrastructure, then we are giving the next point, suppose in li faculties, then we can give /ul to complete this ul tag. So this way we have applied ul tag, that is unordered list, one more tag in the same coding. So we can save here by file save, and we can refresh and can see in the web page our coding. So we'll open this school one, the same is we can refresh here and can see some more points are getting displayed which we have added: intro, infrastructure and facilities. So this way we can add some more things in a web page. Now in this web page, if we want to insert a video, so how will you do? Again, go to the web page, so the coding page which we were having. Suppose this is the coding page now we are having here. We want to display before this unordered list or video. So what we'll do, video source is equals to inverted commas and the file name we can check which we are having as in our same folder, and the mp4 file is by the name Prabhu, Prabhu. Please check the spelling also, so that the correct spelling will get displayed, will be typed there. Now go to the particular notepad file. Now we'll give the same file name and we'll give the extension .mp4 inverted commas closed. Then we'll give, after giving one space, we'll give autoplay controls and the height and width also of the particular video, because otherwise if it will be a big high resolution video then it will take so much of space. So we can reduce its size by giving height and width of as attributes. These are the attributes, and 50% which we are giving, we can give its value to reduce its height and width. Now we can give autoplay controls. So autoplay controls will display the controls below the video, and autoplay plays the audio or video, whatever we are inserting, or video automatically when the web page is loaded. Now automatically, as soon as I'll open the video after making the changes, suppose file, save, it is saved. Now when I'll open the video, we'll double click on it, it will start automatically playing the video too, because we have given autoplay option. So this way you can see that video is also inserted in a web page along with the text. So below we are having the controls. This is what by which I have just played and paused. This is known as control. So controls, these are the controls by which you can stop and play the video. So I hope all of you have understood how to insert the video in a web page and how to have a marquee tag by which you can have the text moving around and displaying the simple text also. Thank you.